Okay, this is a quick bonus video that I decided to add in this section since it might interest some of you and it does have something to do with the endpoint security. So we already mentioned that in many cases files are what's most important to a person on their device. And sometimes there are files that we want to get rid of or completely delete from our machine and we don't want anyone to see them or to be able to get them back. Well, as you maybe already know, when you right-click delete file from your desktop or from any folder, it doesn't really delete the file, not even when you clear it from the bin. Your file can still be retrieved if someone wants to. This is because the memory space where that file was will be declared usable, but the content of the previous file will still be there until a new file overwrites its contents, which can take some time. That's why here I have some articles that will talk about how to securely delete files or perhaps wipe entire hard drives by overwriting them. We won't be demonstrating it in this course since it's rather easy to do. All it takes is one tool, and these articles give a good explanation on how to use them. So you can visit this article at this link right here, and it does explain this in details from starting off what happens when you delete a file to why the files that are deleted aren't erased immediately. And down here, it can also show you how you can recover the deleted files and how you can prevent deleted files from being recovered with tools such as CC Cleaner, which you simply just install, and it's rather easy to use. Down here, it explains how exactly it works and which options from this tool can you use to securely delete files. Another article that you can take a look at is this one right here, which talks about tools to securely delete files from Linux systems. So this was mostly referring to Windows systems, but this article will tell you how to securely delete files from Linux systems with the help of certain tools that you can install via the command line or via terminal. And on the third article, it talks about how to securely delete files on Macos. It will start off with explaining you how to use the rm command to delete the files through terminal, to explaining how to install a certain tool that will allow you to securely erase all the files that you do not want to be on your machine anymore. Now, depending on which system you're running, or depending on which system you're trying to secure, you want to navigate to each of these articles accordingly and read through how you can securely delete the files that should no longer be there. Nonetheless, let's not make this video any longer and let's move on to the next lecture.